Hello everyone, look at this. That's right. We have had flooding here in Columbus. So we're gonna find out. Look at that. Mill Race Road is closed. The tower, look at that. Here we are coming up to State Road 46. Oh yeah, we're gonna be crossing the river, so we're gonna find out how high it is. This is, oh. Look at how high the river is. Look at all that water. It's a lot worse coming up on 46. So we're gonna find out what's up here. People, traffic. Oh look, 11's closed. Oh yeah, and up here it's even worse. It's even worse up here. Look at that. The People Trail was flooded. Look at all that water. The People Trail has been completely flooded by all of this water. And guess what, y'all? School was closed today and yesterday for me. So I've had 2 days off this week, thanks to the floods. And it's like flowing like a river right now. At least the highway didn't get flooded. Now we just got stuck in traffic. Look at all that. For some reason we got stuck in traffic. If there was an accident up there, that means people don't know how to drive in this city. I'm blocking the license plates for privacy reasons. Because look at that. Look at all that water. Because there was a huge storm on Tuesday. And today is Thursday. Look at all that water. Here we are coming into Western Columbus. Look at that. At least Walgreens didn't get flooded. Look, People Trail ends right there. Yeah, this is crazy. We tried to take Lowell Road and 325 West, but it was closed. What? I know. I mean, look at those gas prices too. $2.75 for gas at Speedway. That's no good. And look, I'm sure y'all remember the Clarion Hotel, but look at this. It was demolished about 1 or 2 months ago, I believe. So now it's completely demolished. And we just got stuck in the traffic light. Alright, I'm gonna finish this off. You can see some more water out there. Alright. What?
You want to show the rest of the Clarion site?
Oh, yeah. Actually, we're gonna that guy didn't know how to drive. There's the Clarion site. It's been completely demolished. I'm sure y'all remember those elevators. I love those elevators. Sadly, it closed down and it got demolished because I think the hospital brought that area. Look at all that water right there, too. And I believe this people trail right here was flooded. Yeah, it was, see? Yeah, it was. See, there's some water right there that flooded it. Oh, look, the traffic lights are out. What the heck? The traffic lights are out.
Oh, there's a police officer directing traffic.
Huh, wonder what that's for. Of course, there's Highway 65. And the Driftwood River over there is flooded. And... Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. Alright, and that's it.